From a young age, I have always liked the life of a uniformed person, especially military life. I admire the discipline, the effort, and the service to the country. For me, this life has a clear purpose. One of the people who inspired me the most was my cousin. He was part of the military and studied at the Eloy Alfaro Higher Military School. Every time he came home wearing his uniform, I felt motivated, I felt proud, and I knew that this was the life I wanted. After finishing high school, I decided to try to enter the Eloy Alfaro Higher Military School. I knew it was not easy, but I was ready to work hard. I trained my body and my mind, and I studied math and other subjects to prepare myself. The first year, I took the psychical, academic, psychological, and medical tests. I tried my best, but I did not pass the medical exams. It was a hard moment, but I did not give up. The next year, I tried again. This time, I passed all the tests, but I did not get a place. I felt sad and confused, and I did not know what to do. At that moment, my mother helped me a lot. She told me to study a career first and then try again for military life. I listened to her advice and chose clinical psychology. Today, I have finished my career. Now I am studying English, giving my best effort. My goal is still the same, to try again at the Eloy Alfaro Higher Military School and become part of the Ecuadorian Army.